Welcome back everyone to Spark Pops, and this is Regina Varghese. So today I'm going to talk about two fantastic courses which is going to amaze anyone who likes or loves sports. So two of the programs are master level courses, and the first one which I'm going to talk about is Masters in Management, Law and Humanities of Sports. This course is actually ranked as the best sports management course in the whole Europe by the Sports Business International for 6 years. When you join this course, you're actually getting chances to meet a lot of top executives from high-level international sports federations, clubs, agencies, and organizing committees. So that is going to help you really in expanding your network of contacts globally. The thing which attracted me a lot about this course was the fact that when you actually join to study this course, you will be able to experience and explore cultures of 3 places. That's because you're going to learn this course in 3 different university campuses in Europe, and the first one of course is Leicester, and the second one is Milan, Italy, and the third one is in Switzerland. In addition to this, you will also get chances to have a lot of field trips, which will actually include those to FIFA and International Olympic Committee as well. The entry requirements for this course is also pretty simple, because normally when you apply for a PG course, they'll always demand for a degree which is completed in the same or relevant area, subject areas. But in the case of this course, they don't demand like that. They ask for any good degree that you have. So the entry requirement is pretty simple for all the international students. During the course of this program, you are going to learn a lot of things related to sports, including sports governance, strategy, operational marketing, business planning, sports leadership, and also the legal aspects of the private sector of sports, sports business and law, and a lot more. In addition to all these, you will also given a chance to do a project during the end of the course. This project will be actually published and will be presented to sports industry representatives, so that it gives you a really high edge when you are looking out for jobs. The second course which I'm going to talk about today is Masters in Business Management and Sports. The entry level requirements for this course is actually pretty simple when you look from an international student's perspective, because they don't ask for, just like the other one, they don't ask for any relevant degree in the same field, but they ask for a good degree. And also, if you don't have a good degree, they're also ready to take in your applications if you have got an extensive industry experience. They also don't ask for high IELTS score. They only demand of an overall IELTS of 6 with individual band score of 5.5. This course actually offers you a lot of visits to historical sports sites. The major attraction of this course is that it gives you chances to complete an executive company project, and also in entrepreneurship project or a creative research project. All these actually gives you a lot of chances to engage yourself with international companies, which gives you a high edge when you are out in the job markets. It's a 15-month program which actually gives you opportunity to get involved with a DMU Global experience. So DMU Global is actually a student-friendly program which gives student chances to visit or make field trips to different places or countries, with the university funding 70% of their expenses. Both these courses are actually offered for us by a great university in UK, which is De Montfort University. It's a TEF gold rated university, and it's also one among the top 25 universities for graduate employability. That means 97.3% of their graduates are actually getting employed within 3 to 6 months after the graduation. The university actually gives a lot of facilities for the students to find employability or job during and also after the course. One of their program named Frontrunners is actually an internship scheme which offers the student paid quality work experience. Another one, which is named UniTems, is actually an in-campus recruitment agency which actually helps the student to find jobs both part-time and full-time. In addition to all these, the university also provides a lot of scholarships for the students, like the DMU Sports Scholarship, which actually gives you £6,000, which I think makes more than 30% of your tuition fees. It also has got a lot of accreditations and partnership programs with big brands and names in the industry. The location of the campus also makes it a budget-friendly university for the international students, because it's only 1 hour travel from London, and the living expense is pretty low when compared to the London one, because it's like around 600 to 650 is the expense for 1 month for the student, which they can easily get from their part-time jobs. So all that makes this university really special for the international students. So that's it for today, everyone. If you like my video, please share it. If you like to get more updates and informations like this regarding different universities or courses, please subscribe my channel. If you want me to talk about any other university or course in specific, please mention that in the comments. If you want any kind of help or assistance or questions regarding these universities or college or courses, please mail me in the email ID, which I'll be putting at the end of this video. So until we meet next time, stay safe.